boys and girls. Today we are going to do a very nice story, and the dolphins are going to help me. It is the story about a man who lived long ago, and his name was Noah. Noah was a very good man, and he listened to God, but there were a lot of people who didn't listen to God, and God was really tired of them all, and he decided to punish them. God said that he was going to send a lot of water. It's going to rain and rain and rain. And Noah had to build a big ship. It's called an ark. It looked like this. So Noah was very good. He listened to God and he said he would do it. And he worked for years and years and years to build it. When it was finished, he had put a lot of food into the ark, and he also had to put animals into the ark, but all the animals that went in had to go in a boy and a girl, a male and a female, a mommy and daddy. So, first animals that went in, and Mitchell will help me with that, were the giraffes. Mitchell, can you come and put the giraffes in for us, please? So 2 giraffes went into the ark. There they go. The next animals that Noah called to go in the ark, Lahel, were the tigers. Can you come and put the tigers in for us? 2 tigers went in. And then 2 more animals. And Marcel will come and pick which animals can go in next. Come, Marcel. It's got to be a male and a female. He's going to choose the lions. So a daddy lion went in and a lioness went in. And Ava is going to be next. Ava, will you please come and help the giraffes into the ark? Actually, giraffes are in already, Ava. We have to put the zebras in. Put the zebras in, Ava. Thank you. And after the zebras, I think these ones wants to go in, and they are the hippos. Come, Bismarck. Bismarck is going to help the hippos into the ark. And then, Leah, the elephants. After the hippos, the elephants went in. And also 2 elephants went into the ark. After the elephants, the rhinos wanted to go in. So who will help the rhinos in the ark? Now, y'all, have you had a turn? It's going to be Bimi. Bimi, come. And the last ones to go in is Kylie, and it was the camels. Come, Kylie. And then, after the camels, the only ones left was Noah and his wife. And Leah is going to put Noah and his wife in first. So there's his wife, and there's Noah, and they went in, and then Heinrich, the door of the ark was going to close. So can you come and help me here to close the ark? Close the ark, please. Careful, 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 careful. Please. And it closed. And what happened then, everyone?
It floated.
It started to rain. Can we all go like the rain? And the water became more and more and more. And the ark was going rough in the water. And then for 40 days and 40 nights it rained non-stop. And then the rain stopped. And Noah and the animals had to wait because they didn't know if there was any dry land. And what did they do then?
A dove.
They sent a dove. He sent a dove. And the dove, who will be the dove, please? Come, Jared. The dove went out. Now Jared doesn't want to. Kylie, you can be the dove again. And the dove came back. He sent the dove out by the window. Whee! And it came back with what? No, dove, hold it that we can see it there. The dove came back with something very, very special. Let's see. What was it? A leaf. And it meant what? That is dry land. And everybody cheered in the ark. Come, can we all cheer? Yay! They all cheered. And not long, the ark opened. And all the animals and Noah and his wife and everybody could come out. And do you think they were bad again? Oh, put him right, Andra. Put the giraffe right. Careful. I said hi, Rick. Okay, come. Thank you. Do you think after this, do you think that the people were bad again? No, not as bad as they were, because they've learned their lesson. Okay? And now what we're going to do, we're all going to say a prayer, and it's a prayer that God told us to pray, and it is Our Father. Can we do that? Okay, close your eyes, put your hands together.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is thy kingdom, thy power and thy glory, Thank you.